Chapter 1. Installing WSL, also known as the Windows Subsystem for Linux. We can always integrate Solana for Windows, but I recommend installing it in Linux because Linux has built-in dependencies that help configure Solana easily. To install WSL, head over to your PowerShell as an administrator and paste one of the following commands. After doing so and restarting your computer, head over to your Microsoft Store and install Ubuntu or your preferred distro and also install Windows Terminal. Now we need to make sure WSL is installed correctly. Go to your command line and enter WSL-LV to get WSL version. If WSL version of yours is 1, I recommend you to install the WSL version 2. WSL 2 has the same user experience, but it is little bit faster than WSL 1. If you are getting an error stating Enable Virtual Machine feature, ensure you enabled the virtualization on Windows. For this, you need to enable virtualization through BIOS and enable Virtual Machine Platform through Windows Features. Now we need to install Rust. For that, we need to go to Rust official web page. Click the Getting Started button. Copy the following command under the Windows Subsystem for Linux. Head to your terminal and enter WSL command to go inside WSL. Paste the command that you copied from the Rust official web page and hit enter. To make sure you have successfully configured the path, enter this command. After hitting enter, you'll see this text in the bashrc file. For the installation, first, go to Solana official web page and select Developers on the navigation bar, and hit Getting Started. Select the Explore the Docs button, under the Developer Resources. From these, select the Start Building section. It'll direct you to the Solana official documentation. I recommend you to read the introduction in the About section and other articles attached in the description to gain a thorough knowledge of Solana. To install Solana Test Suite, go to the Command Line Guides section, and select Install the Solana Tools. Go to the macOS and Linux section, and copy this command and paste it on the WSL command line and hit enter, as we did in Rust installation. After installation is completed, you have to configure the path of Solana. To configure the path, the installation will prompt a text. You need to copy it and hit enter. To make sure the path is configured correctly, go to WSL. And enter this command and hit enter. It'll prompt the bashrc file. Go to the bottom of the file and you'll see the exported path. If not, you need to manually copy and paste path to this file. First, to get Solana version, enter this command. This will represent the version number of the cluster. For to check the current network, enter this command. you'll see that the Solana blockchain is running locally on the computer. The key path represents the path to your wallet. This path is set automatically when you installed Solana. It's important to note, all the development and testing is done on localhost. Ensure you change network to localhost when implementing Solana programs. Before sending instructions to the Solana local network, you need to run Solana test node. For that, open a new WSL terminal and enter this command. To get the current wallet address, you have to enter this command. It'll prompt you the wallet address. If you want to get full Solana account detail, enter this command and paste the wallet address that you retrieved from the previous command. Once the network is running locally, you can airdrop tokens for your account. Enter this command to airdrop 200 SOL to your account. To check your balance, enter this command. Or you can explicitly say what account you want to get balance of by entering this command. For debugging Solana programs, you will need to get information about log statuses. You can't get the exact log status from running the Solana test-validator. You have to run this command to get those log statuses. A cryptocurrency wallet is an app that allows cryptocurrency users to store and retrieve their digital assets. As with conventional currency, you don't need a wallet to spend your cash, but it certainly helps to keep it all in one place. When a user acquires cryptocurrency, such as SOL, the user can store it in a cryptocurrency wallet, and from there use it to make transactions. To work with tokens, you need to install a wallet. There are many wallet options in Solana. You can install a Chrome extension of any of these wallets as preferred. I installed Solfair wallet. You can go to Solfair Chrome extension by clicking this icon. This will show you how many SOL you got. You can change or add new wallets using the hamburger menu. This wallet has 0 SOL. When you test wallets transactions, make sure you are in the devnet. To send Sol for the wallet, you need to copy and paste this command on WSL terminal. Make sure you paste the right wallet address. Now we got 1 Sol for our wallet. Now, we will try to send 1 Sol from the first wallet to second wallet. For this, you need to copy the wallet address of the second wallet. And for the wallet that you need to send from, input the Sol amount, and paste the wallet address that was copied from the second wallet. And hit send. You'll see the transaction information in another window. Now, we'll try to build and run Hello World program on Solana. To have a basic idea of how Solana operates, we'll try to clone the Git repo provided by the Solana team. For this, go to Developing on Solana Docs and select On-Chain Programs, go to the example chapter. Copy this git command and clone it to your device. And then navigate to your file. Make sure you Solana test-validator and Solana logs are running. Open the Solana project with your preferred IDE. On the SRC file, you'll see these two files that consist of programs, aka smart contracts. You can implement smart contracts with any of these two languages. I recommend you to stick with Rust. For the simplicity of this tutorial, I will not go into implementing programs. We'll try to simply run the Solana program already implemented on this project. For more details about installation, you can refer README file. We'll first try to install node packages for the project. For this, open up the WSL terminal. And enter the npm install command. After npm packages are successfully installed, we'll try to build the existing Hello World Solana program. Enter npm run build program Rust to build the program. After that, you need to deploy the program to the Solana chain. For that, enter this command. If the deployment successful, you'll get a program ID. You can get all the information about the deployment through the Solana logs. Now, we'll run the JavaScript client, using npm start. As you can see, the initial program is written for creating a new account, and saying hello to that account.